Based on data from corn harvests and exports, over the past 5 years, America and China are the largest corn-producing countries in the world. America is the most dominant country, controlling 34.6% of world corn production, with an average of 323 million tons. China is second, with an average of 202 million tons, and a control of 21% of world corn production. So, what are the secrets and treatment of corn farmers in America? In this video, Technologia will invite you to visit the modern corn farming process in America. Corn farming has been a highly profitable crop in the America for generations. With hundreds of years of experience, America has enough expertise and knowledge to continue to be the country with the largest food producer in the world. Agriculture and the food industry in America focus on economically valuable cereal crops, including corn, soybeans, and other grains, such as wheat and beans. One factor that makes corn production abundant in America is the importance of modernizing agricultural equipment and machinery. Almost all agricultural sectors in America are carried out using satellite-based machines, which enable precision and time efficiency in farming. The largest corn production area in America is in the Western America. This region has been the largest producer of corn since the 1850s. In this region, the growing season begins in early March and flowering starts at the end of April. Furthermore, sweet corn will start to be harvested in May. Meanwhile, giant corn is harvested beginning in June. For large-scale agriculture, such as corn farming, which can cover a land area of up to 32 million hectares, an integrated equipment system is needed, starting from soil loosening and irrigation to harvesting process. So, it can produce high output, reduce the time and effort associated with installation. In this land plowing process, the machine is controlled by an automatic satellite-based system, which allows it to run precisely in the middle of each predetermined row, while planting an irrigation system in the ground. The device maps in the previous program were based on the irrigation plan, which guided precisely where to place the drip lines in each designated field and bury them in areas of root development. This automated system allows the driver to remove the steering wheel during the track installation and deployment process. The optimal corn development program automatically performs the plowing and watering process with each buried irrigation hose. In this condition, overhead spraying is only done to control pests and other diseases of corn plants. During the development process of corn plants, the soil on the surface of the corn field will look dry. However, below the surface and between the corn roots, there are drip water channels that provide water. This irrigation allows efficient water use, minimizes weed growth on the surface, and allows the root system to develop rapidly. Apart from that, In this plant irrigation, there are also sensors to detect soil moisture and send accurate real-time data remotely to help assess and analyze air needs when spraying. Apart from distributing water, this plant irrigation route is also used to distribute liquid fertilizer to corn plants. Corn production requires many nutrients, such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. After a long season, the entire corn field reaches maturity simultaneously due to exact and even treatment. This allows harvesting to be done simultaneously to save time and energy. The corn harvesting process is divided into two ways, depending on the type of corn to be harvested. For sweet corn, corn plants will be harvested when they are still young and fresh with green leaves. Meanwhile, large corn will be harvested when it is really old, and the leaves are dry yellow, like this. Like the harvesting process, in modern agriculture, this agricultural process includes transport trucks and combined tractor machines to pick corn while walking through the corn field. Furthermore, the harvest will be distributed to markets and large factories for further processing.